Hey there! It's that time of the year. Spotify yesterday released this year's version of Wrapped, which shows your in-depth stats about listening habits, summary of your favorite songs and artists, what kind of a listener you are, and more. Spotify Wrapped is only available for mobile users, so let's check it out. When you open the app, on the homepage, right underneath your daily playlist, you'll see a category called Your 2022 in Review. You can either click on this to see it, or in your 2022 in Review, there will be a Wrapped playlist. When going through it, you'll get an option to share it with others on all platforms. Also, you can check out your top songs apart from the top 5 of the year, messages by artists for you, your missed hits, and few other things. This year's Spotify Wrapped is amazing. I recorded 23,595 minutes of listening for this year. How about you? Let me know in the comments. I hope this video was useful, and if you have any issues, do let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.